Alright guys, El Cajon, California, about 15 minutes away from San Diego, 10 minutes away from San Diego. I've been here about 12 years. I've never seen it this full. I mean, it's only been raining like about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, raining kind of hard. And this is full. This is full. That water you see right there coming down is a culvert that takes water from my cul-de-sac at the end of the cul-de-sac. So let's listen to this for a minute and then I'll go in the front. There's a ton of debris, trash. I saw a couple logs go by. And here's the front where that culvert is. It just never drains that much. So you can see it's pretty high right now. It's pretty high. I mean, my neighbor, he's right there, kind of low, but I think he'd go through his backyard before, but this is the front of my house. Yeah, man. Yeah, we got water. It's only been raining like an hour, so whew.